treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 BMW 528i. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power trunk closing assist, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.